Welcome to Number Fun. We've been talking about different creatures that live under the ground. That was a super fun story by Denise Fleming. Now for Number Fun today, we have a graph. And we have 4 different animals that live under the ground. Let's take a look at our graph. We have our favorite groundhog. Looks really familiar, doesn't it? Just like our Groundhog Day picture. And then we have mole, and we remember mole from our story, The Mitten, remember? And then we have rabbit, which we're going to see a lot of rabbits around Easter time, right, coming up. And then we have a worm. All 4 of these creatures live underground. And we need to find out how many of each one of these we have in the picture. And then we're going to color in the boxes to match how many we have in the picture. So let's get started with our first creature, the groundhog. Now the groundhog is yellow on my paper, so that will help me find the groundhogs. So up in the picture, let's find the groundhogs. Can you find any groundhogs in this picture up here? Very good. Did you see the groundhogs? They're yellow, just like the picture in my graph. Let's count my yellow groundhogs. 1. And where's the other groundhog? You got it. 2. So we have 2 groundhogs. 1, 2. So how many boxes are we going to color in on our graph? That's right. We're going to color in 2 boxes because we have 2 groundhogs. So here's number 1. And you can see it's number 1 because there's the number 1 right next to it. And we have the second groundhog, right? Number 2. So we color in 2 boxes because we have 2 groundhogs. There's our number 2. And that matches our pictures. 1, 2 groundhogs in the picture. 1, 2 boxes that we color in. Okay, boys and girls, let's go to the next picture. It's a mole. Let's go into the box up above and take a look for how many moles we have. Let's count them up together. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 moles, and you can see they're blue. So I have my blue marker, and we're going to color in 3 boxes on our graph because we have 1, 2, 3 moles. Okay, here we go. We'll color in box number 1. I try to stay in the lines the best I can, right? Okay. There's box number 1. Now let's color in box number 2. Very good. We're coloring in blue to match the picture of our mole. Are we done coloring moles? No, because we had 1, 2, 3 moles. So we need to color 1, 2, 3 boxes. Very good. This is our 3rd mole box that we're coloring. Very good. Now let's take a look across here. You can see that's the number 3. That's how many moles we had. All right, boys and girls, take a look at the groundhog and the mole. Which one do we have more of? Right, you can see we have more moles. 1, 2, 3. We have more blue boxes than yellow, right? Which one do we have less of? Groundhog or mole? Which one is less? Groundhog. Very good. We only have 2. All right, let's go to our friend rabbit. I made the rabbit pink. So let's take a look up in the box for our pink rabbits. Let's go ahead and count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 rabbits. So we're going to color 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we start at the bottom. This is box number 1. right? See how that's number 1? If we look all the way across, there's our number 1. And we have 4 boxes to color in. All right, we're coloring in box number 2. And we know this is 2 because there's the number 2. Now we're going to color in box number 3. Very good. Let's make sure that's box number 3. Yes, there's the number 3 going across. Are we done coloring rabbits? No, because we had 1, 2, 3, 4 rabbits. We need to color our last box, right? Number 4. Very good, boys and girls. So now we have 4 boxes colored in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we know that's 4 because there's our number 4. Very good. Now which animal do we have the most of? Groundhog, mole, or rabbit? Which one is the most? That's right. We have the most rabbits so far. All right, we have one more creature left. Which one is that? We have our worm, right? We have green on our worm. Okay, let's look up in our picture and find how many worms we have. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3. 3 worms in our picture, so we're going to color 3 boxes. Ready? Here's box number 1. We're coloring it in green to match our green worm. Okay. We know this is box number 1 because there's our 1. All right, we have 3 worms. So here's box number 2. It's fun to color in the graph, isn't it? And then box number 3. We had 3 pictures of worms, so we color in 3 boxes on our graph. All right, you've got the hang of this. Let's make sure that's box number 3. Very good. All right, now we have a couple of questions for you. Which animal, which creatures have the same amount? Take a look. Which ones are equal? Which ones have the same amount? That's right. Mole has 3 pictures and worm has 3 pictures. Mole and worm both have number 3. Very good. There's some more questions at the bottom. Which animal has the most out of everybody? Who has the most pictures? Is it groundhog, mole, rabbit, or worm? Which one has the most? Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. You know it, it's rabbit. Rabbit has 4 boxes colored in. There were 4 pictures, so that's the most in this graph. Now here's the next question. Which one has the least? Which one has the fewest? There's not too many what? Which creature has the least? Right? Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. There were only 2 groundhogs, so that's the least. You did a great job, boys and girls. Are you ready for a disco cheer? Hand on the hip, finger in the air. Ah, 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 ah. I did so good. I did so good. Ah, 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 ah. I did so good. I did so good. You did so great with your underground animal graph. Awesome job today. See you later, alligator.